For writing, you are going to be responding to what you read in your reading assignment. So make sure that you've done your reading assignment before you do your writing assignment. The two books that we read were Giggle Giggle Quack by Doreen Cronin and Living on Farms by Alan Fowler. You can use both of the books to respond or just one. It's up to you. You are going to write about something that you noticed, which is something that you found interesting as you read, something that you wondered, which is a question that you had either before, during, or after you read, and then something that this book reminds me of, something that you had a connection about to your own life. Remember, you can use these as sentence starters. I notice, I wonder, this book reminds me of. Don't forget to have a capital and a period on your sentences. When you have checked your work and you've done your best, press the X and then press the blue turn-in button.